Tonight I'm sharing my fall recipes with you. I'm also putting this peppermint oil in the diffuser. I have some Halloween decor that I put out that I'm going to show y'all, and we're doing a nighttime routine, skincare, perfume, what I use in the shower. I'm walking Chloe. Like, there's so much in this video. I cannot wait to share it. And I'm putting this fall into autumn in my wax warmer. Speaking of, I saw the cutest wax warmer at Walmart. They were $20 and they were trucks. So cute. But right now we're making pasta. It's basically spaghetti, but I'm using just a mix of elbow noodles, the spiral noodles, just what I had on hand, regular just garden vegetable pasta sauce, and then I'm using this Cajun sausage by Zatarain's instead of hamburger meat because it was more affordable. So this is a really easy budget friendly meal for y'all, and I'm going to be doing some cleaning off and on in this video as well because I like to do that at night lately. I love to clean at night, so y'all will have to tell me in the comments, do you like to clean at night? Do you just clean throughout the day, or do you clean in the mornings?
Thought in the wildest dream I'd see you again. Never dreamed about nothing else other than you. I always thought I'd be waiting in vain, but suddenly there you were. Never thought it'd be easy to feel you in my arms, but now we're here and I'm all in. Cause I can stay till the morning, or stay till the dawn, but just hold me now. I wanna be so much better whenever you're around. I wanna say something clever to get in your mind. Oh, I feel so much better whenever you're around, whenever you're around, yeah, yeah, whenever you're around, whenever you're around. Is it too late to feel you? Is it too late to tell you about how much I'm sorry for the things I have done, for the things I never did? But I promise, dear, I'll never let you go. So don't let go, get close to me. Oh, don't let go, get close to me. My body's waiting for you. I know your body's been waiting too.
So I'm just adding a few sprigs of bay leaf, and I'm going to let this simmer for a while I get the rolls started. So we had some leftover dinner rolls from Wonder Bread, and I'm going to just split them up in half like this, pull them apart, and then put the butter on them so that they make little pieces of garlic bread. I will tell y'all, if you're looking for an affordable alternative to Texas toast or breadsticks, just use the bread you have on hand. Put some butter on it, garlic, salt, um, the complete seasoning that I showed. You could do garlic and what was the other one I was thinking of? Oregano and butter, and then just put it in the oven for about 5 minutes, and it will come out just as good as your garlic toast or garlic bread, and it is pennies. And chances are you already have a loaf of bread at home that you can use, or you have some extra rolls. I put ours on 350 Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. I will have my apron linked in the first comment of this video. I love this apron because it is water resistant, so I can cook and do dishes and all that stuff without worrying about getting anything on my clothes. So now our rolls are done, and this dinner was so good. It's so simple, but it was tasty. So let me know if you try it. I'll show you a clip of it in a minute, but I let it simmer a little bit longer while I went out and took Chloe on our walk. Now it was time to sit down and eat dinner with Aaron, and we watched the movie Haunted Mansion because it was on my fall bucket list, which I will show y'all here in just a second. But let me know, have you created your fall bucket list yet, and have you done anything fun for the fall? I know I want to go to a pumpkin patch and get some real pumpkins to put near our front steps. I added that black and orange pumpkin near my flowers that I recently picked out. And then I redecorated this shelf on the wall that y'all will see in just a second with more Halloween spooky decor, but not too spooky. Then it was time to straighten up the kitchen a little bit, get dinner put away, and I just added the dirty dishes to the sink and I rinsed them off a little bit, and Aaron will get to those later. He normally just does them the next day, which is fine with me. But I like to have my counters cleared off, so just putting all that away. And once I get everything cleaned up, then we'll move into the bathroom and I will start my skincare and shower routine, and I'll show you all the perfumes that I have been wearing. This typically wouldn't seem like a fall scent, but vanilla and peach tea has been one of my favorite scents for fall, and it could be because of the wrapper they have it on. But here's today's prayer for y'all to read if you want to. Here's an overview of the things that I use in the shower. All the shampoos and the Skin So Soft and the foot scrub are from Avon, which I do Avon, so I always have that linked in the description box. And then I use the soft soap body scrub for body wash. I have been using Dossier for over a year now. It is the perfume that I go to when I want to feel luxurious without the luxury price. So this aromatic watermelon is inspired by Chanel's Blue, and oh my goodness, this may beat the Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue that's inspired that Dossier carries, and that is a big deal. But because I love it, which that one is the citrus green apple, but this one, the aromatic watermelon, like y'all see my face, it is so good. And then this one is inspired by Ralph Lauren Polo Blue, so I thought they would be a good combination. Oh my goodness, both of these are so good. They would be good. I think one of them was unisex, so anybody would love these. Amazing. I will have Dossier's link down below, and they also gave me a code for y'all. It is Kimi_10. So now we can get a discount on our perfume, which is already so affordable. That's why I love choosing Dossier, because they make luxury inspired scents at a fraction of the cost. So it's very economical. The packaging is wonderful. It's environmental friendly. You can recycle it. And there's just so many good things about Dossier. So I will leave that link down below. Then I did my skincare, which I'm using this Mission Luxury from Avon. It was a sample pack and they just sent it to me, so I did not pay for that. But I just figured I would use it, and then it was time to fold the clothes and set the bed for whenever we decide to go to sleep. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you will check out Dossier in the description box down below. They are always running sales, and they have all sorts of perfume that are inspired by brands like Gucci, Versace, Ralph Lauren, just so many high-end brands that they make inspired perfumes by. So definitely check them out, and I will see y'all back here in the next one. Bye.